Welcome to Not 100% Accurate, episode 19, How I Made an Alien Motion Tracker. If I get 100 subscribers, I will show you how I made this. Not 100% accurate, but this is my interpretation of it. And this is it. I put a bunch of Final Fraction Greeblies on there. Lights up. This is my Alien Motion Tracker. I'm J13. This is not 100% accurate, of course. But they go a little computer box like they have in the movie. They have a little calculator thing. And of course, my motion tracker needs something to track. So here goes something that I made today. Not 100% accurate, but my face hugger. I went to the dollar store. I bought a spider. They cost $3, and I added a tail and I added the two wings. Ding. This is the thing, and I plan to paint it. So this is the face hugger. Remember, it's not 100% accurate. I'm J13. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. In the next video, I will paint the face hugger. So you will see the face hugger. Remember, it was a spider. I just added these things on the side, the tail. The legs already come with the spider. And I added some little greeblies there. That's my interpretation of my face hugger from the movie Aliens. You give me some likes, share my videos, and tell me what I can do different in these videos, of course. Give me some comments. Remember, if you give me 100 likes, I will show you how I made this motion tracker. So you can probably make one yourself. I will show you what I did. Got lights and everything. Turn off the lights right now so the batteries don't run out. I'm J13, and I'm out.